Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with others you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us keep making these videos every day. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 254. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 5. 5 here, so 1, 6, 6 here, so 1, 5. That means that our 6 has to be here. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 here and an 8 here. So this is our 1. That 3 makes this our 8, 3. That 1 makes this our 5, 1. For this row now, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 here. So 4, 8, a 4 here, so 1, 8, and no help here, 1, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 9 here, so 3, 9. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this top row now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 8. 7 here, so 3, 8. 3 here, so 7, 8. So then if we look, the only place the 3 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 6. That 3 means this is our 4. Oh, hold on. We were missing 3, 4, 6, and 8. So let's go back here. The 3 and 4 would make this 6 or 8. 3 there, 6 here would make this 4 or 8. 6 here would make this 3, 4, 8. 3 and 8 here would make this 4 and 6. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, 6, and 7. We've got 2 and 4 here, so 6, 7. 2 and 6 here, so 4, 7. 4 and 7 here, so 2, 6. 2 here, so 4, 6, 7. So it looks like in that row, the only place our 2 can be is here. All right. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 6, and a 4 here, so 1, 6. That means the only place in this column our 1 can be is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 7. We've got 2 and 5 here, so 1, 7. 1 and 5 here, so 2, 7. 1 and 2 here, so 5, 7. 1 here, so 2, 5, 7. So if we look, the only place the 1 can be is here, and that 1 means we can get rid of this 1, and then that means the only place the 1 in this box can be is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 here and a 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 3, 6. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 7, but we've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. I'm looking here, this 8 does make that our 6 that we were wondering about, so we can get rid of that 8. And with that 6, we can get rid of this 6. With that 2, we can get rid of this 2. For this row now, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 8. 6 here, so 4, 8. Now we need to look back through here and see what we can find. So for this column, the only place the 3 can be is here. The only place the 8 can be, oh, well, we have a 5 here, so that makes this our 7, 5. That 7 makes this our 4, 8, 6, 4, 6. This 4 makes this our 7, 8, 4, 8. And that 8 makes this our 7, 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.